You want more yogurt? Good baby. You like that yogurt? You like that yogurt? Is that a special treat? You want more? Here comes more. You like yogurt? Yeah, Daddy likes yogurt too. Can you talk about how much you love yogurt? Good girl. You love your yogurt, don't you? Yeah. It's really tasty, huh? Yeah, it's really good, huh? You want more? Here comes more. Is that good? Is it your favorite thing now, yogurt? Yeah? What about you, Hud? Do you like yogurt too? I don't think you'd like it as much as your sister. You want some more? Okay, I only got... Here. Let me give you a little bit more. Here it comes, here it comes. You want more? You really like your yogurt, huh? Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Can you wave?